What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Monday, April 14th. Friday, we did film, and we saw this whole section was filled with arborvitaes. They're pretty much completely gone. Yes, they are going to restock, but just a great example to show you how busy it is during the weekends. Super busy. Today's video, we have Costco's flash deals for the week. Let's get inside and see what they have to offer. But first, make sure everyone enters the giveaway. It's completely free, doesn't cost you anything. All you gotta do is click the link in the description or click the link in the comment section. That'll take you directly to the giveaway. Enter the giveaway. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow the directions from there. We are giving away a free NutriBullet Ultra Deluxe single serve blender, a value of $119.99. And once again, back on sale again in the #1 spot, starting the video off with the Delcy Paris Accelerate. This is their 2-piece hard side spinner luggage set. Now we do have 3 different colors to choose from. We have the dark gray, we have the red, and we also have the light gray available. Now these are very durable, they're lightweight, they're scratch resistant, and they do have a 100% polycarbonate shell, so it is quite durable. Now I do like this a lot, has shock absorbent wheels, very easy to move and rotate. The interior does include multiple organization pockets, which is nice, a shoe pockets, and they even have tie-down straps as well. Today at the warehouse, they are giving us a pretty good discount at $40 off the price. Now these are also available at Costco.com for $10 more. Here at the warehouse, $139.99. In the #2 spot, this time from Ring, we have their security camera bundle set. Now here at the warehouse, you can only grab it in white, but if you head over to Costco.com for the same exact price, you can grab it in white or you can grab it in black. Now this camera bundle set, what exactly do you get? You get the floodlight with a built-in camera, 2K video. Now keep in mind, friends, that camera must be hardwired, but it also comes with the outdoor camera, their stick-up camera, which is battery operated. Today, $60 off the price, $189.99. In the #3 spot, this time from Skull Candy, we have their Kilo. These are their wireless Bluetooth speakers with a case bundle. Now they do come in a 2-pack. They're IPX7, so they are waterproof, ultra portable, they're rugged and durable, they have passive radiators, and they even come with the carabiners. Now today here at the warehouse, they had them going. The sound quality was okay in my opinion, but I do think the LG booms did have a little bit nicer quality audio in my opinion. But today, they are taking $15 off the price, bringing it down to $44.99. Same price as Costco online. In the #4 spot, this time from Samsung, we have a 27-inch curved computer monitor. Now it does have a full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080, 60 Hz refresh rate, and aesthetically, this does look pretty nice. Has an all-white frame, it's curved, has that white stand, it looks amazing. Now if that's the look you're going for and you don't really care too much about the specs, this may be the computer monitor for you. Now today, they are giving us a $30 discount at $119.99. In the #5 spot, this time from HP, we have their all-in-one printer. It's their Color LaserJet Pro. It's wireless, and it does have a high-speed automatic 2 laser side printing up to 26 pages per minute, which is pretty fast. Has a nice compact design, has dual band Wi-Fi, and it's very energy efficient. Now the reviews were very surprising at Costco.com. Since it is an HP, I was surprised. The reviews are not bad at all, surprisingly. I was shocked. So they are taking a whopping $130 off the price, bringing it down to $328.99. In the #6 spot, this time from Max Chief, we have their high backs. Now these are the upholstered padded folding chairs. Now these chairs at this price point is awesome. Now they do look pretty great there. As you can see, they have that nice padded cushion, upholstered seats, and the high back design looks great. I like the gray. Now they have that stylish fabric color as well, a nice sturdy steel tube design, and it can support up to 300 pounds, which is great for a folding chair. Today, $5 off the price, bringing it down to $14.99 a piece. In the #7 spot from Sun Villa, we have their Nicholas. This is their 7-piece sling outdoor dining set. Now it does come with 2 swivel rocking captain chairs, 4 dining chairs, 1 dining table, and it even comes with a cover as well. Pretty nice looking set. It's durable, has a powder coated finish, and it does have that nice upholstered design to it. Today they're taking $200 off the price, bringing it down to $999.99. In the number 8 spot, we have their leisure line. These are the classic wood grain Adirondack chairs. Now, these are made by Tangent. Now, these are very nice. They do come with a 40-year limited warranty. Now, these are super easy to clean. They're very durable and low maintenance. They're weather resistant, and these are guaranteed not to split, not to crack, or even warp. Pretty nice guarantee, and they look very nice with that wood grain. Now, they're taking $30 off the price, bringing it down to $99.99. But these are also available at Costco.com. They are a little bit more, but at $129.99, they'll deliver it right to your front door. In the number 9 spot, we have the Blender Bottle Classic. These are the Pro 24 shaker cups. Now, they do come in a 2-pack. They're Triton plastic body, 24-ounce capacity, and they have the classic blender ball, the whisk, those little round metal balls that you shake up. Those are the whisks. Now, today, we have a pretty good discount here at Costco. Now, they do come in a 2-pack. Let's check out that price. $3 off the price, bringing it down to $12.99. In the number 10 spot, this time we have the super popular Spanikopitas, 48 pieces. Now, these do come in 4 different trays. These are the spinach and feta phyllo triangles. Now, these are delicious. I love them. I'm Greek. Now, Greek Easter's coming up. Happy Greek Easter. Lands on the same day as Catholic Easter. 200 calories for 3 pieces, 20 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of protein. Today, we are getting a pretty good discount. I did pick this up myself. $3.40 off, bringing the price down to $13.59. In the number 11 spot, we have the classic jelly beans. Now, these are perfect to fill those Easter eggs during the Easter hunts. Now, around my household, we got a lot of Lego fans. So what I did was I bought the Easter eggs, and I also bought Lego minifigures. These are aftermarket minifigures, so they're not too expensive. I did grab a 50-pack. I'm going to put those in the Easter eggs, and that's what I'm going to use instead of candy. Today, you can grab the jelly beans at $13.49. And these are the little Lego minifigures I was talking about. Now, these are just dupe aftermarket versions, but they still look great, perfect for Easter hunts. I'll leave a link in the comment section just in case you have any Lego fans. In the number 12 spot, we have the very popular Squishmallows. We have the Pokemon Pikachus. Now, I remember these were over $40 like 3-4 months ago, but the price has come down. I'm pretty shocked. Now, today, they are giving us a 50% discount on top of a price drop, which is unbelievable. These Pikachus are 50% off, and they look great. They're humongous, so keep that in mind. You do got to have the space for them. They're $20 off, bringing the price down to $19.99. In the number 13 spot, this time from Nestle, we have the very popular evaporated milk. Today we have a nice 12-pack of cans. Now, each can is 12 ounces. These do have 40 calories per serving, 2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, no added sugar, and 2 grams of protein. Today they are giving us a great discount, $3.40 off the price, bringing it down to $13.59. In the number 14 spot, this time from Eddie Bauer, we do have their sleep set for the ladies. Now, we have 3 different colors to choose from, the blue, the purple, and the tan. We even have larger sizes available at Costco online. These are ultra soft. They have the 2-way stretch. The plus sizes, like I mentioned, are available at Costco online. Here at the warehouse, they're $12.99 on sale. At Costco.com, they're only $13.99, but they do qualify for the mix and match. So if you do need more than 1 set, potentially 5, you can save an additional $20 more, bringing the price down even further. In the number 15 spot, this time from Huggies, we have a Costco exclusive, the Little Movers Plus. Now, these diapers have been well over $50 for the past 3 years, but today I've noticed a nice price deduction. That's pretty nice. It's brought down the price down to $49.99, but today from Costco's coupon book, they brought the price down even further. A nice $10 manufacturer rebate, bringing the price down to $39.99. In the number 16 spot, this time we have the Deluxe Memory Foam Seat Cushion. Now, this design here does provide relief to your back, your tailbone, and your hips. Has a nice ergonomic comfort and support designed to it, and it also has a charcoal-infused memory foam that does provide moisture control, and it neutralizes odors at the same exact time. You can use this in your car, you can use it at your home, or you can use it at your office. On the back of it has a non-slip backing. The fabric, you can pull it off. It's washable, which is great. This is a nice little memory foam cushion. If you do need this, definitely pick it up. You can grab a 2-pack at Costco.com for $69.99. Today here, $7 off, $27.99. In the number 17 spot, we have the very popular Yankee Candle car air fresheners. Now, these do come in a 5-pack. They're the little jars that last up to 30 days. Everyone loves these, and today we have a nice sale on them. Now, these are super popular here at Costco. These have been going very, very quickly. So if you do want them, make sure you grab them while they last, because once they're gone, I'm pretty sure they're not going to bring them back for at least till next season. $2 off, bringing the price down to $7.99. In the number 18 spot, this time we have the Don Miguel breakfast burritos, egg and sausage. Now, these do come in a 6-pack. Each burrito is 7 ounces, 480 calories per burrito, 50 carbs, and 22 grams of protein. These do contain seed oils. We talked about that a couple of videos ago. Now, another ingredient, if you want to eliminate something, I would eliminate multidextrin, which these have. It's an ultra-processed carbohydrate that does spike your insulin levels like crazy. It's very high in the glycemic index, and it's not good for your gut microbiome. Today, $3 off the price, $8.99. And moving on to the number 19 spot from Kirkland, we have their signature baby wipes. Now, these are fragrance free. We do get 9 packages per box here. Each package has 100 baby wipes, and these are super popular here at Costco. These go like hotcakes. Now, today they're taking $3 off the price, $16.99. Same price as Costco online. In the number 20 spot, this time from Sekisei, we have their treatment cleansing oil. Today we have a 10-ounce bottle. This is their all-in-one makeup remover, cleanser, and hydration. It quickly removes waterproof makeup, sunscreen, dirt, and impurities. A lot of great reviews online and a lot of reviews in general on this product. Today they are taking $5 off the price, bringing it down to $17.99. In the number 21 spot, we have the MetaQuest 3S 256 gig game bundle set. Now, what do we get with this set? We get the carrying case, we get the 3-month trial of MetaQuest, and we also get the Batman. Everything is included in this package set. Pretty nice deal here. 1832 by 1920 pixels per eye, has that high def. Now, they are taking $70 off the price for us, bringing it down to $324.99. You can pick it up for the same price at Costco.com. In the number 22 spot, we have the deck towels. These are so cool, but they do add up very, very quickly. I like the way they look. Now, you can use this in a variety of different situations. If you can use this in your basement if you like, depending upon what you have. Now, if you have a nice older concrete patio, or maybe you have a 3-seasons porch, you want to put these deck towels down instead of putting down carpet. You can even put these on the driveway. If you have asphalt driveway, you want to make a little patio section in front of your house. You can use your imagination. If you want to put them down in the grass, throw down a little crushed stone, compact it. $5 off the price, $19.99. And now from DPS, we have their gaming chair, and we also have their desk available. So both of them are currently on sale. The chair comes in 3 different colors: black, gray, and white, but I've never seen the white one at the warehouse. If you have, leave a comment below, let us know. The white chair, you can pick it up at Costco.com, Costco online. You can pick it up there for $149.99 on sale. The desk currently, right in front of us, $149.99 after a $50 discount. And the chair, let's scroll over to my left, you can pick it up for $129.99. So it is $20 more at Costco online. And next up from DeWalt, in the number 24 spot, we do have a heavy-duty drum fan, not to be confused with Costco's last year's benchtop fan, which they did bring back in stock this year as well. That was a hot ticket item. So here we're looking at the 24-inch heavy-duty drum fan from DeWalt. It's pretty awesome, has an all-metal housing, which is great. It's not too loud either, at 60 decibels, has an adjustable tilt, which is pretty awesome. Check out those massive wheels. This is a nice heavy-duty drum fan, 6500 CFM, and it does come with a 5-year limited warranty, which is awesome. Now check out that price, $30 off the price, bringing it down to $99.99. Now, this was last year's models that I was talking about, their benchtop fan. This was a hot seller. It's a 16-inch fan that's a 3-speed, and it works awesome. I did pick this up myself. It's pretty lightweight, very easy, has a nice compact design. I like the material it's made out of as well. Pretty nice, $79.99. And the number 26 spot, this time from Cascade Mountain, we have our TexFlex Height Sling Chair. Now, these do come in a 2-pack. Now, the reviews on them, kind of so-so, not the greatest. What makes these chairs nice, they're super lightweight, ultra lightweight, and they're packable. That's why a lot of people do love them. Now, they also have a built-in padded headrest and armrest, which is pretty nice. They do support up to 250 pounds. Not the greatest weight capacity, but not too bad, especially for how ultra lightweight they are. Now today they are giving us $10 off the price, bringing it down to $29.79. Another fan favorite, we have the Oreo cookie sandwiches in the number 27 spot. Now these are ice cream Oreo cookie wafers. I do like the packaging of these. I like the font. I like the colors. Pretty awesome. Now these do have 220 calories per sandwich, 37 grams of carbs, 17 grams of added sugar, and 3 grams of protein. Today they are giving us $5 off the price, bringing it down to $14.89. And for our fur babies, in the number 28 spot, we have the Kirkland Signature Dental Chews. Now, these dental chews are also, the reviews on them are amazing. Here we have a 72 count. They're grain-free, gluten-free, and they're also made in the United States. Now, these do help clean the teeth. They help reduce the plaque and tartar. They also have added vitamins and minerals, but the price is even amazing on these as well. 72 dog treats per box. That is a lot. Now, today, a fantastic price at $6 off, bringing it down to $20.99. And finally, in the number 29 spot from Max and Mia, we have the ladies waffle knit lounge set. Now this lounge set is pretty popular, also qualifies for the mix and match online as well, so keep that in mind. We have green, we have purple, we have brown, sizes extra small all the way up to 2XL. Today, a pretty good discount as well. These cost $21.99 at Costco online. Here at the warehouse, after the $5 off, $19.99. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Link will be in the comment section. And remember, friends, if you have Instagram, go ahead and follow me over at Instagram at WatchTheDealFinder. Don't forget, if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Peace.